My name is Kiran Sanjeeva. I live in San Diego, California, USA. I'm basically an engineer by profession, so art is my hobby. I do pencil drawings, charcoal drawings, as well as recently watercolors. My main interest is human figures. I've enjoyed the storytelling aspect that comes with the human figure, the human gesture in the face and stuff like that. So that is my main interest. So for the last few years, I've been trying to get into more colors, which I struggle with. I have a tendency to lean towards monotones, gray tones, and stuff like that because of my charcoal background. So when one of my friends, forwarded me Paragji's flyer on the pastel drawing workshop, I jumped on it. It was a perfect break that I wanted to get out of my comfort zone and try something new, try to enhance my work with a dash of color. And I think I took the right decision. Paragji's class was very informative. Not only is he very knowledgeable, he's able to impart that knowledge onto artists very successfully. Um, his style is very um, um, collaborative in a way. He lets us do things, he lets us do mistakes, and he encourages us to um, play, have fun, and use our sensitivity to bring about whatever we want to depict in our drawings or paintings. So that was very fun. It was a very relaxing atmosphere for us, first of all, and I really enjoyed being in the midst of artists trying to encourage one another to be their best, to give their best. Um, Paragji's class was very organized. Even though it was an online session with limits on how much he could personally guide us. Yet there was opportunity for everybody to show their work online, and as we were working on the work, he was able to point areas where we could improve, and he could in real time suggest corrections and improvements to our work. So this was the result of the workshop that I took with Paragji. I was really surprised. I surprised myself that I could come up with something as colorful as this, and that all goes thanks to Paragji. Um, it was also fun to also talk about art in general in the workshop and hear the different perspective or different other fellow artists and understand our journey, our quest with the art, and what how it affects our personality, our outlook on life, and stuff like that. So overall, I found the workshop to be very informative, very much like a springboard to reach newer, higher levels in my own artist journey. And now that I have gotten over the fear of the powdery medium of pastels, I am more confident to probably try even other different mediums and add more color to my artwork and my life as well. Thank you.